Okay, now we're going to show you how to realign the split pole. You'll need a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver again, and also a 1/8 hex Allen key for undoing it. Okay, let's go through and do it. Okay, pop the gas valves off, just pop off like that. Put it to the side, undo the 4 bolts, nuts, screws, sorry. Lift the lid off, be careful because the igniter cables are still there. And for this exercise we will pull out both the igniter cables and lay this to the side. Okay, so this is the socket, it's on the motor shaft here. Okay, with moving the pole in and out and the motor and the socket getting hot, the socket moves up and down the shaft and it becomes loose. So every so often we have to realign it. So pop the undo the grub screw here with the 1/8 Allen key. Just undo that. Then you get your pole and put it into the socket there. The groove is sitting in the bearings at the other end. See, that's a little bit over, so we just push that back down a bit until that's sitting here. Still a little bit off. There we go. Okay, so it's sitting in the bearings there. It's tight into the socket. There's no movement. So then you can tighten up the grub screw here, and that should hold it in position. Okay. Now be careful, don't over tighten it. Otherwise you'll never get it back out again. And don't forget to pop everything back on. Put your electrodes in for your sparkers, igniters there, just make sure it's nice and tight. And that one goes in there, like that. Pop the mount back, water cover back on. And then go around and pop the screws back in. Hand tight again. Okay, and that's how to realign the pole and socket.